In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add a banner to your Discord server on mobile. So instead of going to the Discord app and opening that, we're not going to do that because you cannot find an option there. What you want to do is go on Google and then just type in Discord, and then you want to click on the website. Once that loads, what you want to do is click on the three dot icon in the top right corner and then click on desktop site. And then what you want to do is click on the login right on the top of right corner. So once you're logged into your Discord account, you want to click on your server, and then we're going to zoom in a little bit so that we can see it better. And then you want to scroll up, and then right here at the top, you can see basically your server name. You want to click on that, and then you want to find server settings right here. So then once you're in your server settings, you want to click on Boost Perks, and then right here you can find the option Server Banner Background. So as you can see here, this option to add a banner to your Discord server, and for that you're going to need a boosting or a nitro. And so I'm not going to do it because I don't have nitro or a booster, and I don't really need a banner. If you do have nitro, then you click that. This is what it looks like. Click boost the server right over there, and then yes, that is how you add a banner to your Discord server on mobile.